welcome to the YouTube channel of 911 Signal. The product on my hand today is an extremely bright dual color Hideaway H1200. We used to provide only solo color, and thanks to the engineering team, we can now offer a dual color model, and the one on my hand is a red and blue. As you can see, it is really compact with 12 high intensity LEDs. As for the dual color model, we use 6 for color 1 and the other 6 for warning color 2. So we have a 5-core harness for this model. Apart from the product itself, we have a cotton ring in case of water intrusion, and also you can use this cover in case you want to surface mount the product. And also we provide 2 screws for your convenience in mounting. And as you can see, apart from the glue, which makes the product already full encapsulated, we also add a ring, gasket ring, in case of the water, moisture or dust intrusion. And also, as you can see, we have 3 layers of the radiator, so we can help. It helps with the heat dissipation. With a connector here, it is very convenient for use, and we offer a long pigtail. So 12 LEDs inside, and there's a gasket ring here at this position, and 3 layers of the for the heat dissipation and the wireness. I want to show you how it works. So black to the ground, and red wire is for color 1, which is red in this case, so you can see 6 LEDs of the first warning light, and also the blue wire for warning color 2, that is the blue, also 6 LEDs. So you can control the warning color separately or together. And the yellow wire is to change the flash patterns. So to the power supply quickly and then release, so you can change the flash patterns. Also, if you attach the yellow wire to the positive power for over 5 seconds, you can retrieve to the factory setting of the flash pattern. And then there's 1 wire left, which is the white one. This is for alternation. So if you have 2 models, you can alternate the hideaways.